Welcome back, I'm Mauro and yeah, I got the Hasselblad 1-inch Mavic 2 Pro. And I will skip all the unboxing and things cause there are a ton out there. I will focus on some cinematic settings to get the most out of your Hasselblad Mavic 2. This video will be an easy follow-up to get the most out of your Mavic 2 and get the best cinematic footage out there. And yeah, to thank you all of you guys, I will include a free Dlog-M loot that you can find in the link in the description. And yeah, I have it a couple of days now and I will make a full review and also a comparison with the DJI Mavic Air that I think that I will get rid of it. And yeah, there will be also a full review and what I think about this drone and should you buy one. So let's begin this cinematic journey in the app menu. Take off to be able to select the cinematic mode. On the left corner, press the joystick icon and select Cinematic Mode. This feature will smoothen your stopping and starting speed of your Mavic 2, smoothing the actual shot. The second most important thing is to enter the camera gimbal advanced settings and the last gimbal figure, Adjust Gimbal. This will allow you to soften the gimbal pitch speed and the stopping smoothness. The higher the pitch speed is, the gimbal will be more responsive and we want to avoid that. I found out that the best settings are approximately 10 max gimbal pitch speed and 24 for the gimbal pitch smoothness. Let's watch the before and after. After that, enter the camera settings menu pressing the right settings icon under the record button. You should never be in auto mode, cause you don't want sudden exposure and shutter change. So, select the full manual mode. To get the most clearer picture, try to film in the lowest ISO possible for the scene. Select your desired aperture. Lowering the aperture you can actually achieve a depth of field and blurring out the background if is what you desire to do. In this test I was not using any filters, cause they were not yet available on this day of filming, but you should really get them if you want a lower aperture filming cinematic experience. Your shutter should be always double your frame rate, or as close as it can be. On the camera options menu you can select your desired filming resolution. There are two modes, 4K full field of view and 4K high quality option. The high quality option will actually crop the image, giving you a more zoom tele-like shot. Select on your behalf according to the type of distance for the shot. Always select manually the white balance, matching the weather on the place of filming. I film always in standard style, it gives me a good picture overall. As for the color, you can select the Dlog-M, None and Hybrid Log-Gamma. The Hybrid Log-Gamma is actually an HDR video, but for the full grading potential and also to use my loot provided in this description, go for the Dlog-M. On the last camera settings menu you should select the histogram, to always have a visual of your exposure value. Turn off the autofocus video cause you don't want sudden refocusing while filming. Turn on the overexposure warning lights that helps you better expose the image. The white diagonal zebra lines show you what is overexposed on your image. Actually I'm exposing for the castle, so yeah, the sky will be a little blown out. Put girths on top to better frame the scene with a center cross in the middle. As for the picking focus threshold, I set it to high. The red dots will show you what is in focus. In the description of this video you will find a free Dlog-M loot helping you start shooting great cinematics with your Mavic 2 in a couple of minutes. So yeah, this is the way how to get the best cinematic footage out of your Mavic 2. I wish you a great cinematic experience with this tutorial and yeah, there will be a lot more soon. Until the next time, don't forget to check the bell ring icon to get notified every time I make a new video. See you soon!